Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, News Headlines in English to speak in the School Morning Assembly of 29th July. And first of all, national news. CJIBR Gawai, Union Minister Kiren Rijiju praised Kashmir University for academic excellence. Heavy rains disrupted life in Gujarat. CM Bhupendra Patel reviewed relief efforts. Jammu and Kashmir, over 3.77 lakh pilgrims performed Amarnath Yatra so far. Jammu and Kashmir got first direct unlocking system at Deenanagar railway station. Army chief visited Ladakh, reviewed operational preparedness. And Supreme Court quashed FIR against shuttler Lakshya Sen in birth certificate forgery case. And claim deposited with banks stand at 67,003 crore rupees. Mass inclusion and not exclusion should be the goal of the Bihar SIR, Supreme Court. Now, international news. Thailand, Cambodia agreed to unconditional ceasefire after 5-day conflict. US and China to begin fresh round of trade talks in Stockholm. Yemen's Houthis said to target all foreign ships linked to Israel. Now, sports news. FIDE Women's World Cup. Divya Deshmukh is the first Indian women champion, became Grandmaster. Tejaswin Shankar set new national decathlon record with 7,826 points in Poland. Women's Euro 2025, England beat Spain in a penalty shootout after 1-1 draw to retain title. Now, news related to business. SEBI began investor awareness campaign with NSE against financial fraud. More than 31,500 government employees opt for UPS till July 20, Finance Minister. Unclaimed deposit with banks stand at 67,003 crore rupees. And that's all in news. Thank you.